Hello, everyone. I hope you had a great MLK holiday. We will not have virtual class today. You have an assignment in Schoology. So just go to your Schoology classroom, and the assignment is right here, 3.2, Government and Consumer Function. While we're here, a reminder you had an assignment last week on profit and risk. I will be grading that assignment in the next few days, so make sure you have it turned in so you don't get any points deducted. Here's today's assignment, 3.2, Government and Consumer Function. Click right here. It is a Google form. I have pages from the book here. Remember to look at your headers and highlighted words, and it will help you with the answers. And then you have 5 questions here to answer. Please answer with complete sentences. Thank you. Have a good day. And this will repeat itself if you miss anything.